Ready to learn how to market your spiritual business to your target audience with your unique offering? Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you're watching this video, I know that you have a business, you've registered it, you've got all your license and qualifications and certifications that you need, and you've set up a separate bank account for your business, right? Right. It's essential to keep things organized. You need a professional website that reflects your spiritual values on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and others. Now, that's not all that you need for marketing your spiritual business. You need to know who your ideal customers are. I know, you've heard this 1,000 times, but it's true. How are you going to market to someone if you don't know who they are, you don't know what they need? You need to know who resonates with what you're offering. What are their needs, their preferences? What keeps them up late at night? Tailor your message to speak directly to them. Part of your marketing is being able to tell someone what you do or what your business is about in 1 minute. For example, I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. Very easy. Craft your elevator speech. Craft your elevator speech and practice saying it. And remember to add it to every piece of content that you email out, that you are sending out, that you are posting online. Wherever you can put it, put it. No, it's not too much advertising. That is part of marketing. Keep your elevator speech concise and simple. Share your spiritual journey along with your services. It's all about being authentic. Content is king, and content marketing is your friend. So create value-driven content. Consider starting a blog, creating videos like this one, or even podcast. Sharing your insights not only showcases your expertise, but it also builds trust. Yes, it's a lot to do, especially when you're solo. ChatGPT is your new assistant. Use it along with Grammarly, Canva, and others. Social media is a treasure trove for connecting with a wide audience. Share informative posts, personal stories, and inspirational quotes. Building a sense of community around your spiritual business is key. And email marketing helps you stay in touch with your audience. Share updates, offer special promotions, and nurture your client relationships. When it comes to digital marketing strategies, I've got you covered. Search engine optimization is your friend. Don't be afraid of it. Embrace it. Research relevant keywords for your spiritual business and weave it in between your content that you have on your website. Have at least 2 to 3 versions of your keywords and build upon them as you grow your spiritual business. Remember, you're new at this, so don't expect to run your business like somebody who's been doing it for years and years. Consider pay-per-click advertising through platforms like Google Ads. Now, before you do that, make sure that you have a game plan and that you've set a budget, you're targeting a specific demographic or audience, and attract those that are actively searching for your services or product. Your brand name matters. It really does. It should reflect your spiritual essence and resonate with your ideal client. Design a unique logo and visual identity that harmonizes with your brand name and your personal spiritual journey. Choosing the name Aware Multimedia meant a lot to me because at the time I was becoming aware of a lot of things that I wasn't aware of. Consistency in your design boosts recognizability on different platforms. Your brand message should align with your spiritual values. So be consistent with communicating with this value throughout your marketing efforts. It's all about being genuine and true to your journey. Your spiritual values are the core of your business. Ensure that they shine through in your branding. This is what sets you apart and attracts those that resonate with your message. I've said this before, share only what you need to share. Keep it real and professional. There's a time and a place for everything. Now, let's remember the power of personal connections. Host workshops, participate in local events, and design print materials that you can share when you are out promoting or participating in networking events. Join spiritual networking groups. They introduce you to new, like-minded individuals, and it can expand your reach. For those of you who are still exploring your options, here are some spiritual business ideas to ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Whether it's tarot card reading, and those are very popular, Reiki healing, or chakra balancing services, there's something here for everyone. Before I wrap things up, let's talk about the benefits of embracing digital marketing. It's not just about the business, it's a journey of spiritual growth. It amplifies your reach, it fosters personal connections, and it allows you to share your authentic self. It's cost-effective, data-driven, and it paves the way for continuous growth. So as you navigate the path of digital marketing content for your spiritual business, remember, it's not just about spreading the word. It's about creating a meaningful impact on the spiritual journey of those who seek your guidance. I hope this video has shed some light on your path and provided guidance that you need. May your journey be filled with abundance, fulfillment, and a deep sense of purpose. Download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Want to read the full blog? Click on the link below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.